All right, guys, PC water-cooled drain systems. I think they're one of the most overlooked aspects of a build. Let's dive in. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Michael. Super glad to have you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and then that notification bell. So guys, let's talk a little bit about drain systems. I had a few things left to do in the Megatron build. The drain system was one of them. I think the drain system is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of a water-cooled PC build, but it should be one of the most important parts of it. So I had to go ahead and install my drain system on the Megatron build. Now, in a previous video of mine, when I did a review on the EKWB Distro plate, the position of the drain on the back of the plate is really close to the pump. And in that video, I talked a little bit about how that was probably going to be an issue, especially with clearance trying to get out past the pump or even screw on, say, a ball valve because it was so close to the pump. So when I did go ahead and install my drain system, I did run into some clearance issues, which I thought I would have. So I had to use some extensions and a few 90-degree rotary fittings. But everything seemed to work out really great. Let me go ahead and show you guys the configuration that I ended up using on the back of the Lian Li PC-O11 dynamic case to get my whole drain system set up for the Megatron build. Alright guys, as you can see, the drain port on the EKWB Distro plate is down here. Really tight to the pump. And the pump right here, I mean, it's about 3/4 of an inch thick. So what I went ahead and did is, let me show you, I came out past the pump here. So I put an extension on like that with a rotary degree 90 right there. Then what I went ahead and did is I came down with another extension and then another 90-degree rotary fitting like that. And then I got my ball valve right here, and that screws on like this. Let's go, if I can get it to screw on here. There we go. And that goes like that. And then there we go. And that's how I went ahead and set up my drain system. And I really like it because all I have to do is just swing this arm out. And then I open up my valve. Better look there. Swing the arm out like this. And then just open up my valve. Go ahead and drain my loop there. And then I could just swing it right back in just like that and be done. And I got good clearance right underneath the pump there, so plenty of room there. That shouldn't be an issue at all. So it worked out really well. And then the back of the case, it fits on there no problem, so there's no clearance issues there. All right, guys, so I think it came out really good. I did go ahead and try to put the back panel on. It did fit, no problem, so there's no clearance issues there. I like how I could easily just swing it out, open the ball valve, drain my loop, close it up, and swing it back in and put the back panel on. It's going to make it really easy to do maintenance on it. If there's ever a leak or an issue, I could drain the loop super fast and fix whatever's going wrong. So don't overlook, guys, when you're building a water-cooled PC, the drain system. It is one of the most important aspects of the build. Like I stated, if you have an issue and there's a leak or just general maintenance, you want to be able to drain your loop as fast as possible without having to be a super big hassle. And if you're using the EKWB Distro plate for the first time, keep in mind clearance. I think the back of the pump is probably 3/4 of an inch that had to come out past the pump. Once you get up past the pump, you could probably go up or go down. I went down and then out. So I could be at a lower point. I mean, obviously you want your drain system to be at the lowest point as you can make it, I guess, in your build, so it drains out easy. I mean, you're gonna have to tip your case a little bit here and there just to get the last remaining bits out, but just make sure it's always at the lowest point that you could possibly put it in, and make sure it's easy accessible. because like I said, your drain system is super, super important. That was the last thing that I had to do on the Megatron build. Now I'm just waiting on the 5950X to get here. I checked again this morning. Like I state probably in every video, the delivery date hasn't changed on Walmart. It's still showing January 20th. I was hoping it was gonna kind of be like one of those Amazon deals where, you know, they say you could pre-order something, say that's gonna be in on February 6th, and then you get that lovely email that says it shipped out 3 weeks earlier. I'm not sure if that's going to be the case with Walmart. I'd be happy at this point if it just got here on the 20th. Just because the 5000 series CPUs are still really, really scarce. I mean, even finding anything from all the way up from a 5950X down to a 5600 is still very hard to find. So I'm assuming that it's probably going to get here on January 20th. It's not going to arrive any earlier. So it's just a 3 week waiting game on that. So, but super excited that almost everything's finished. Now, when I do get the CPU, and I will make a video of me filling the loop and turning the rig on to show you guys. Now, I've been getting a lot of messages, people asking me about different parts that I've used. When I do make the final Megatron video, I am going to post links in the description of every single part that I used and where you can go ahead and buy them and purchase them. So if any of those parts you guys want, you can just click the link and go ahead and get yourself one. And I will go over each individual piece and break everything down for you guys. So just wanted to let you know, guys, if any of you guys out there are really curious about all these different pieces and parts, we'll do a whole overview of everything at the end. So, but that's all I got on this one, guys. I just wanted to show you the drain system. Post them in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think of the configuration that I came up with. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay healthy. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care.